So welcome students. So in this question, you're given that A1, A2, A3, so on are in arithmetic progression. And A1 plus A2 plus A3, so on up to AP by A1 plus A2 plus A3 up to AQ. Sum of the first P terms by the sum of the first Q terms is equal to P square by Q square. And this is valid for every P and Q as given in the question. If that is so, what is A6 by A21? So let us analyze this question. So if the first term is A and the number of terms is P, this is nothing but the sum of the first P terms of the AP. That is P by 2 into 2A1 plus P minus 1 times common difference. So let us assume that it has some common difference because this is an AP. Divided by Q by 2 times the sum of first Q terms. 2A1 plus Q minus 1 times D is equal to P square by Q square. So this 2 and 2 gets cancelled, P gets cancelled here, Q gets cancelled here. That means 2A1 plus P minus 1 into D by 2A1 plus Q minus 1 into D is equal to P by Q. So this is something which we know from the given information. Now what is asked of you? You are asked to find A6 by A21. And you know the formula for A6, right? So A6 is A1 plus 5D by A1 plus 20D. So you are asked to find this value. And you know this value. So now if once you know this, what are the values of P and Q? You should substitute to get this ratio. So A1 plus 5D by A1 plus 20D is same as 2A1 plus 10D by, I'm multiplying the numerator and denominator both by 2. So 2A1 plus 40D, right? So now I want this ratio. I know this ratio for any P and Q. So if I want 10D and 40D here, what are the values of P and Q that I need to substitute? So I need to substitute P minus 1 is equal to 10 and Q minus 1 is equal to 40. That means P is equal to 11 and Q is equal to 41, right? So if I substitute P is equal to 11, I get 2A1 plus 10D by 2A1 plus 40D. So the answer should be that is equal to 11 by 41. So option C is the right answer to this question. Thank you.